Today I'm with Wendy Wallace of Lighthouse Financial Group. Wendy, what's going on with the market? It seems like it's a little scary right now.
You're right, Sarah. It is quite disconcerting. One of the reasons is, the Feds had the highest interest rate hike that they've had in 22 years. And they're looking at several more rate hikes. And the reason why is because of inflation. So inflation right now is at 8.5%. And since the pandemic, it was at 0. So that is affecting the market. And we will just have to see what happens. But the scary thing is that if they overcorrect, we could go into a recession.
So what does this mean for people's investments, particularly those that are close to retirement age?
It's time in the market, not timing the market. So they really need to work with their financial advisor to mitigate risk. It's not a buy and hold strategy if you're close to retirement and your portfolio drops. And then with inflation, you have to use more money to make your money last. So they really need to look at these things.
So beyond just the market, are there other global factors that people need to consider right now?
Well, yeah, you look at the Feds can't stop the war from happening with Russia, Ukraine. They can't order more production in oil or natural gas. They cannot keep the government from spending and borrowing, and then they can't lift the lockdown in China, which affects the supply chain today. As a fiduciary financial advisor, we meet with our clients to make sure their portfolio is in alignment with their goals and that risk is mitigated, especially now. So if anyone just wants a second opinion or just a review of their retirement income plan, even if they have another financial advisor, we'd be glad to sit down and look at that and talk with them.